Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're unboxing the month of January's mystery tackle box. This is the ice fishing box, and the ice fishing box is only available during the winter time. During the summer, it actually goes out of stock. This box is only $20. Well, it's less than $20 a month. It's more like 16, 17, I think. But it's free shipping, so I definitely recommend it. They do send you like 5 to 6 different baits. Random baits. Usually they have like a main lure, and then they have some sort of jig, couple soft plastics, and then a sticker, and then sometimes some other random cool little thing to try out. So let's just dig right into this, guys. Alright, so here's the knife I'm using. It's a little wet for some reason.
I was using it to clean a deer head.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, it was used for something outdoorsy. Kind of gruesome, but okay.
Okay, well it's just bone.
Alrighty. So in every box, you get what's inside. We've got, oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things in this box this month. Wow. Okay. So we're gonna start here with the Lunker Hunt Magic Bean. This retails for $5. I've actually seen this at Walmart and Cabela's. It's a little jig. Looks like a little fire fish, but it's got a blade on the back. So when you jig it up and down in your hole, it vibrates that blade. So I've actually been wanting to get one of these. I keep looking at them every time I go buy them in Walmart. Now I actually have one, and I get to see what it looks like and how it feels. Oh yeah, that's nice and heavy. I might actually use this when we go try and get some walleye.
Yeah.
They love red.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go, guys. Cool little lure. It's got a red treble hook there on the bottom, and then it's got a gold spinner on the back. The gold is really, really good for murky water. So if the water is really murky or muddy, use gold, because it's gonna shine up really, really well. So let's see what else is in the box, guys. Next thing in the box is Rippers ZZZ Spoon. I believe that's what this is. Here's what it looks like. Here, I'll just get it out of the package for you guys. It's just a jigging spoon. There we go. Alright. So it's got some green in it, as you can see there.
Mm-hmm.
I might be holding it upside down. There we go. But pretty much it's going to be jigging up and down, and as it falls, it'll flutter. And then when you jig it back up, it's got some good darting action. That, and you can tip the treble hooks with some sort of bait like wax worms or anything like that. So very cool. A spoon, and I don't know if I said what that retails for. It retails for $4.50. So let's see what else is in the box. All right, up next we got an Acme tackle. Acme, I know, makes a lot of good trout spoons. The Taskmaster. It is actually an Acme tackle Taskmaster. See where it's at here. There we go. So here's a Taskmaster. If you guys don't know what it is, what type of spoon. Let's take it out here. This one glows, and it glows blue, so that's kind of cool. But it's got like this type of blade on there, kind of wedged like that. It moves a lot like a fish. It's pretty crazy, but got a little treble, so you could also tip that with some wax worms, but when you're jigging it up and down and let it fall, it flutters. A lot like a way different action than this one. But yeah, very cool. And it's also gold, so very good in murky water, as I said. Alright, up next in the box, we have Best Panfish Fin Jig. This right here. This retails for $3. The Acme Taskmaster I got retails for $3.50, if I did not mention that. I'll just take this out of the box here. Here's what the bag looks like. And here's what the spoon looks like. It's like a flutter spoon. Very, very thin. Very thin. But it flutters in the water when you're jigging it. So that's very cool. Cool little pan fishing lure. And then up next we've got Best Panfish Knocker Tails. That's these here. Little soft plastics. These retail for $3 as well. And I think you use these to pair up with the spoon. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. This is what it looks like here. It looks like a little chartreuse bug looking dealio. Since you've got this spoon, all you'd have to do look it through here, and then you just jig that up and down in the water. You could even tip another wax worm right there to give it a little bit more action or some scent. But yeah, that's gonna look really nice in the water. Really nice. So, alright, let's see what else is in the box. Alright, up next we got some Eagle One Bait Company maggot grubs. That would be these here. Here's what the package looks like. Pretty cool package. And inside, we've got these little grubs that look like little maggots. Little wax worms or something. So I guess if I happen to run out of wax worms, I'm sure I could probably throw these down, and they'll probably hit on these, definitely. So that's pretty cool. And these retail for $2. And then up next in the box, we got a Sitka glowing ice spoon. Here's the package. This retails for $1.99 or $2. Just get this out real quick. Oh, a chartreuse. That's cool. So it's got a chartreuse, a little bit of sparkle on there. And then on the other side, it's got some white with a red dot on there. So that is pretty cool. Very cool. And that you could also probably pair, like we got chartreuse here. I bet you that chartreuse would go good with this, especially, or the white would also probably go good with this. White and chartreuse go good together. So that is very cool. That and chartreuse is also a good color to use in murky water. And then for the last thing in the box, the last item in the box, are some Arnold snaps. So just some snap swivels here. I'd have to take them out and figure out exactly what kind of snaps they are. Just check them out real quick. Oh, there's different sizes. So they just look like this. So literally you just tie your line on this part up here, and on the other side, that's where you snap your lure on. So that is very cool. Alright, for the last thing in the box, in every box they throw a sticker in. This month's sticker is actually pretty cool looking. Here's the sticker. This is going right on my car. But that is very cool. if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, as I said, it is like $16.99 or $15.99 a month. No shipping, so it's free shipping when you buy it. And they send you lures. And then inside the Dibbles Digest, if I didn't say, there's contests you can enter in. They've got little tips and tricks for ice fishing, bass fishing, trout fishing, any type of fishing. How to rig up your lures, different tips for rigging, that type of stuff. So yeah, if you liked this unboxing, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, keeps me motivated. If you guys are into this type of thing, I do stuff like this once a week, whether it be unboxings, fishing, hiking, anything outdoors. So if you're into that type of thing, go and hit that subscribe button down below. Love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in the next video.